turn to exit before attempting to board.
First coach, why not? That's nice.
Please gather your belongings and exit the train. This train is bound for the rental cars and public bus station. Next stop is the economy parking station. The doors are closing. We're about to depart. For your safety, please stand clear of the doors and hold handrails firmly at all times. Next stop is the economy parking station. This train is bound for the rental car center station. Smoking is not permitted within the train system.
Yeah,
Please remember to hold handrails firmly at all
so we
times.
have to wait until the end of the line station. The third station, right? Oh yeah, this is a nice high-speed train. And here comes Mia. Oh, there's 99.
Please remember to hold handrails firmly at all times. Please remember to hold handrails firmly at all times. We are approaching the economy parking station. The doors will be opening. This train is bound for the rental cars and public bus station.
I gotta skip the economy parking station. What? I know.
Economy parking station. Please gather your belongings and exit the train. The doors are closing.
Now I'm going the other way. Next
We are
stop.
about to depart. For your safety, please stand clear of the doors and hold handrails firmly at all times. Next stop is the rental car and public bus station. This will be the final stop. Smoking is not permitted within the train system. We are approaching the rental cars and public bus station. The doors will be opening. This is the final stop.
What? I know.
I used to stay on this and just go back.
I'm recording it.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
I'm recording it. So
One, two.
I know.